Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and passwords. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, you need to tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!